Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you what is and how works the Smart Finish function in Siemens washing machine iSensoric. So, this program you can enable in this place by your control knob, and this program is suitable for t-shirts and similar textiles made of cotton, linen and mixed fibers. This program is for heating and subjecting dry textiles to steam in order to hang them after the program is completed. If you want to load one piece, the maximum load of clothes in this program is about 5 t-shirts or shirts. If you want to load just one piece of your clothes, use the various speed function. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.